Hello world, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I am going to show you how simple it is to make Jello syringe shots inspired by Attack on Titan. In a glass bowl, I added the strawberry Jello package, hot water and cold water, and mixed everything well together. If you can find grape Jello, that is even better than strawberry Jello because then you don't have to add a drop of blue food coloring. So once everything is mixed well, put the syringe shot into the glass bowl and pump the Jello mixture into it. Put the Jello syringe shots in a cup before putting it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to harden up. Have you seen the anime Attack on Titan before? Who is your favorite character in the anime? If you have not seen it before, I definitely recommend it because it is a great anime. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.